Today I'm going to teach you how I created my CSS and style sheets using Sass and the live Sass compiler. So in this video we're going to install it, set it up with the correct file structure, and then run a little bit of code so you can see it in action. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Dev Drawer. Today's going to be a quick one, just because I've been doing a lot of Sass lately. I've actually had a question or two asking how I have my Sass set up, because you're not able to generate the style sheets that I'm able to generate. So what I do is inside of VS Code, there's an extension that you can search for called Live Sass. And this Live Sass compiler, if you install it, and then if you go to your settings, so we go settings here, and if we type in Sass, it'll give us all of our live Sass compiler settings. What you can do is just go through this, where you can set everything up. Typically I just go to my settings JSON, and then there's certain things that you need to type in here. Like, I don't have anything for the auto prefix, but the important part is whenever you're going to compile something, you need to set the formats and how you actually want to save it. So you can type in something like live Sass, I think it's settings formats, and then in here it'll kind of give you a few options. So the expanded is going to be just the regular CSS. So if you have a style.sass file and then you go to compile it, whenever you go to run it, it's actually going to save it as style.css. So inside of this, you can set the save path to match a certain file structure. So I just type in /css/, and I can also, you can just go ahead and get rid of this. Basically, this will take it and create a folder inside of the current project that you're running this file in, and then save it for your expanded version. But you can also take this and copy it, and then you can come down here, and instead of being expanded, you can have compressed. So compressed, and then you can have .min.css and have it saved in the exact same place. Also, one of the things that I typically do is I come over here and I say I don't want it to be able to generate a map. So again, we type in live Sass. So live Sass compile generate map, and then I set this as false. Again, this is just a preference of mine, but yeah, so it's just something that I do. You can generate the map if you want to. And then also I have an exclude list that I do. So we do live Sass again. Let's see, live Sass compile. There we go. So you got your exclude list, and then I just exclude the defaults of the node modules VS Code, so it's not trying to run any kind of style sheets inside of any kind of modules that you may be importing or anything like that. So if we go and save this, and let's say we just have a sample folder here, so I can go ahead and close out of all this. If we create a new folder, and let's just call it Sass, inside of this we create a new file called style.scss, and then once it's there, you have this watch Sass button up here down here. If we click on this, it generates that CSS file for us. So we got our style and our style.min. So if we come over here and we type in something like this, you can see in the style.min, it's automatically generating that file for us. So quick video, just to kind of make it where you can set your project structure up like mine. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments about this or any of the other stuff that I do, hit me up below. But this should help with some of the videos that I've done in the past with Sass style sheet creation. I don't know if I actually went over how to set it up, but if you're not familiar with Sass, this is a great way to get started. So that's it for now, and I will talk to you later.